So we're going to finish by doing another round and do our beginning double crochet, increase around, and double crochet in 6, and then 2 and 1, and 1 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 and 1. And just repeat that around for a total of 92 double crochet. I'll catch you on the other side.